I try to move on, but every sunrise feels so wrong. Every lonely road I take reminds me of the love we made. Every song the wind still plays brings me back to better days. I still believe you'll come around, even if you're nowhere found. Hope is all I have tonight, holding on with all my might. You're my last train home, don't leave me here alone. Without your love beside me, this house is not my home. You're my last train home, please don't say goodbye. My heart will wait forever until the day I die. Every letter, every line still reminds me you were mine. Every promise, every kiss now is something that I miss. People tell me life goes on, but my soul still sings your song. If love is written in the stars, why did fate keep us apart? Sometimes I hear your voice at night, like a dream that feels so right. I close my eyes and see your face, still the light of every place. If tomorrow brings you near, you'll never see another tear. I'll hold your hand through every storm, keeping your heart safe and warm. You're my last train home, don't leave me here alone. Without your love beside me, this house is not my home. You're my last train home, please don't say goodbye. My heart will wait forever until the day I die. Even if the seasons change, my love will stay the same. No distance, no pain can erase your name. I'll be waiting where we met, with a love that won't forget. If you ever need someone, you'll find me standing in the sun. You're my last train home, the dream I've always known. No matter where you wander, you'll never walk alone. You're my last train home, forever you will be. My heart will keep on beating for you eternally.